So, as far as Russia's concerned, it's already begun. They're going to demilitarize NATO now. The weapons sent said that it's now global. Um, I told you that was going to happen. Exactly that was going to happen. I did. I know some of you can't stand when I say I told you so, but I did. I know the things I say sound insane. I just told you for the last 8 years that your government has preordained this through the Crown Vatican DC Corporation. They also own Russia very much through the Black Boat. Um, Give me a break, people. All you're seeing is controlled opposition. Tell your children to stop doing these things, please. It is not patriotic. I would also urge UN rights chief to look into the school shootings beginning a long time ago. The one in Florida where the teacher was shot, proclaimed that it was the police that shot her, killed her colleague across the hall from her, shooting down the hall at children. Um, Seen the footage right there on national TV.
That's what you see for me, standing in the hallway, actively shooting down the hallway, just a barrage of bullets. And I'm staring at him thinking, why is the police here? This is strange, because he's in full metal garb, helmet, face mask, bulletproof armor, shooting this rifle that I've never seen before. I don't know when I decided it was the right time to close the door. I grabbed the handle with both hands, and that's when I got nicked or grazed or whatever you call it.
A bullet hit your arm.
Yes. As I'm closing my door, I'm shouting at my next door neighbor, Mr. Scott Beagle, to close his door. And he's the kind of man that would just keep that door open a little longer. He's all about the kids, but he couldn't see the shooter. I had a good visual of him, which is why I yelled at him to shut his door now.
35-year-old teacher Scott Beagle among the 17 murdered on Marjorie Stoneman Douglas's.
Like I said, and another student in here, I forget. Well, I've made the video. I documented this one really well. I haven't even bothered looking at this one, the latest one. It's the same MO. The cops waited outside. They stopped parents from helping their children, as some of them escorted their own out of the building. I don't understand why the discussion is on handguns, personally. I'm wondering why it's not on what the hell the police have been doing. This is not acceptable in any way, shape, or form. One, you would imagine they wouldn't teach these children in this environment now today to hide in a classroom. You're not hiding. You're just behind something in a classroom. If anything, make an escape window. So lock down your doors so it takes them a few minutes to get in, and put an escape window for these freaking kids to take off running. You're not sitting shooting at a damn target that's huddling behind a desk. You're at least shooting targets that are running. Give these kids a chance. Are you kidding me? This is insane what we're doing. We're talking about guns when the policy is the problem. Policy is a problem, one, and I think traitors to humanity is another one. We need to look into who's doing this because it's obviously orchestrated. As far as this goes, a little more than yesterday. Nothing new, right? See this? See this? See this? It takes you right to me. It's still there, just not on YouTube. If I was you, I'd start at the oldest first up here too and work your way down. You don't have to see all the lives, but if you want to watch thousands of earthquakes be hit on the minute by the magnitude and placing on the planet predicted live, and just right there, a lot of knowledge dropped in those, and a lot of knowledge dropped here because of the circumstances as they are. Um, the information I've had is still here. Hey, here. No loss in anything, actually. I've gained more time. Um, 800 less videos to roll through, right? Cool. No loss. No change. Just a little more than yesterday.